Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I trust everything is in perfect condition. I hope you all are keeping safe. Yeah, today I'll be teaching you how to make an asymmetric kaftan gown, just like the one you're seeing on this video. It's going to be an asymmetric kaftan gown. All right, I've folded my fabric as you can see it here. I folded my fabric into four. Here's it. The four of them, I'm using it for the front and the back. I folded this one into two, and I folded this other one here into two. So I'll be cutting the front and the back together. So the measurement I used in getting the width is my center back measurement. From my center back down to my sleeve length, I measured out 23. But if you don't want to make it that way, you can equally get your shoulder measurement. Your shoulder measurement, for instance, my shoulder measurement is 16. Then 16 divided by 2 is 8. You can add any length of sleeve you want. For instance, you can decide you want to make a sleeve length of 10 inches. So 16 divided by 2 is 8 plus 10 is 18. That means from your center back to your full sleeve is 18. Okay? So that's just how you can get this width I got here. Then for the length, I'm using a length of 56. I've measured out my length as well. So the next thing to do now, I'm going to measure out from this close edge. From this close edge, I'm going to measure out my neck measurement. And I would like to use a neck of 6 inches because I want the shoulder to be a little bit falling. I want to make a little, I want to make it a little bit free. It's going to fall off a little bit. So then for this neckline, I'm not going to curve it. I'm not going to curve it like the usual curve neckline. But if you want yours to be curved, you want yours maybe you want a an open neck. It's left for you, canoe neck or U neck, whichever one. But I want my own to be straight like this. So what I'll do now, I'm going to cut out what I marked. I'm going to cut out just like this. I'll do it and show you. I've cut it out, and here's what I have. All right. Now, as you can see, I didn't cut it directly. I added half an inch. I'll be using this half an inch to join from here and join here also. So please remember to add this half an inch for your sewing allowance. And then this is my straight neck here. Like I told you earlier, you can decide to make your curve. If you want to curve it, you can use maybe 3 to 4 inches depth for your curve. Okay, I'll be sewing it now. What I need to do at this neckline, I'm going to use my bias strip to turn up the neckline. I'll turn it to the inside. Okay, I'll use like half an inch to turn up my neckline. I'll do it for the front and the back. After which, I'll join the front and the back together, and then I'll stitch from this notched area. You can see it. I'll stitch down to this place. And meanwhile, I also have to turn up my sleeve, my sorry, my round sleeve. I'll fold it up with like half an inch and stitch. I'll do same for the other side. Then after which I'll join the front and the back together, stitch up this shoulder area, and then stitch up together by this side. I'll do that and show you my final result.